Good morning, one and all present here. So today I'm going to take lecture number 18. That is, what are the types of cables which are used in CCTV cameras, and what type of standard functions they are involving it, and what are the other safety precautions methods to adapt the apart from the CCTV. Okay, how to adapt a automation system in the residential buildings as well as the domestical buildings by controlling strategy. Okay, controlling means maybe we can say it will be called a biometric system, because that user can control it. Okay, that is, we can control the users. Okay, for example, if you take a hospital. Okay, the particular number of employees, the working time will be started by 8:20 a.m. means. So how to monitor? Can anyone tell me? There is a hospital. In the hospital, doctors also be there, nurses are available, and the sweepers are there, and non-teaching staffs are there. Office executive boy is there, attendants are there. So for each and every person, there will be a working time is different. Normally for everybody they are having maximum 9 hours, minimum 8 hours. Okay, normally the private sector, the working schedule. Okay, so how to monitor it? Can anyone please give me the reply, because it is a, because this one, it is one of the interactive session now. Give me the reply. Please unmute your mic and please speak. Yes, fingerprint scanner. Okay, fingerprint scanner system, that is nothing but a biometric system. They can use by using the fingerprint, and the face recognition will be there. Okay, voice recognition is also be there to monitor the attendance of each employee, and based upon their attendance only, the particular day salary will be countable. Okay, it will be countable on every 30th of month. Okay, on 30th end of the month, the salary will be credited. Based upon the salary credited for the every employee, the employee came to know about how much their package. For example, their package is 25,000 means they will get, after deduction they will get 23,500. Okay, after PF deduction, tax deduction, everything, they will get 23,500 take home salary. Now in that, if the amount is less compared to the take home salary, maybe they will get 19,000 means, the moderation, that is 2,000 or 3,000 difference will be there. That difference they will check their biometric attendance in their individual login portal of every employee. They can check it. Okay, so the employee, the each and every employee came to know about how much a salary will be credited the every month. So it will be benefit for the employer side as well as employee side also, it will be benefited. Okay, so to connect the HR department of every institution or every industry with a biometric system, there is a cable will be connected. Okay, these monitoring devices, they won't monitor, they won't connect it in the wireless network. They will connect it only in the wired network as well as in cabling system they are connecting it. Okay, the first monitoring device, which is nothing but biometric system. Biometric system means it is a fingerprinting biometric system. Each person has unique biometric features. So what are the features included in biometric? This is one 3-mark question. Hand geometry, fingerprint, palm print, voice print, face recognition, signature recognition, iris verification. That is nothing but sight of eyes, which provide high level of security. We will say one by one. First one, hand geometry. Hand geometry means the image acquisition system comprise a light source. A camera will be called a single mirror, a flat surface. You see, this is a flat surface. They will monitor it. Okay, the user can place his hand, the palm faces downwards. This is a palm which we are facing the downwards on the flat surface of the device. The 5 pegs, that is 5 pegs means that 5 fingers serves as a control point. This is one control point. See here, this is one control point, second control point, third, fourth, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So for every finger there will be a 10 control points are there. In left hand side it is 10, right hand side is 10 control points. So this 10 control points will be called as it will be placed, yeah, appropriate devices, okay, which will be placed. Usually where they are using this one, hand geometry, can anyone tell me? Hand geometry, where you found out? Aadhaar card, good. Okay, in Aadhaar card, if you want to change, because Aadhaar card will be accessed by the government of India, and through the what is that? Yeah, what is that? The monitoring station, okay, which will be set by the government in the every cities. Those officers only can do it. Okay, those officers can be process it. Okay, not by the any unauthorized person. Yeah, there will be authorized person to change the corrections. Okay, for example, if you want to change the address, or if you want to include your phone number, or if you want to include your mail ID in Aadhaar card, as a human being, as a Indian citizen, we are not having rights to immediately, we can't change it by using our net connection like that. It's not possible by using the individual. There is authorized centers are there set by the ministry of government, so we have to approach them, and through that the authorized agent only we can process it. So for that they are making a normal system which is called as a hand geometry. Hand geometry is a device which is used to change the, which is used to correct the informations only in the Aadhaar card. Okay, this is the hand geometry. I already told, right? These are the dimensions which will be called. Okay, topmost it will be called as a top view, and side view also it will be monitor. You see here in every finger 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 edges they will place it. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So total one finger it is 7 edges. Like that 5 fingers 7 edges. 7 5s are how much? 45, right? So 45, 35 or 45? 35. Okay, 35 edges they can monitor it in every finger. Okay, as well as which finger, which hand they can use it means right hand. Okay, right hand. And because for each and every person the width and length of the your hand will be, fingers are different. Okay, so the images is also be different for each and every person. For example, you want to change your Aadhaar card. Okay, some changes which is recorded in your Aadhaar card, you can't inform your father and to change it. It's not possible. Okay, so for that you are the person, the authorized person, we have to go, individual person can go and change it. Okay, that is one send. And another one is they will send the OTP also. For example, if you are not having the hand geometry, okay, if you are linked with your phone number means by using the phone number they will get the OTP. Through OTP we can change it. Okay, so two ways it will be there. Either you can include your mobile number, or otherwise you can use a hand geometry mechanism. And third one, suppose your hand geometry is not at all working in the Aadhaar card process, immediately they will take the face recognition. Okay, face recognition images. This is the fingerprint. This is a biometric system. Okay, you see. Okay, normally, for example, I will give the example in NHC. Okay, in NHC itself, I will give the example. When I joined in the college, at that time in the HR department, day 1 itself, they will record my fingerprint. Okay, the forefinger in the left hand, forefinger in the right hand, as well as thumb impression of left hand, thumb impression of right hand. Okay, these two fingers only they will use it. And by using the razors, because arch patterns are there, this arch pattern which is available in your finger, okay, here it will be available in a finger. This arch pattern will be different for each and every person. There are 3 types of arch patterns are there: arch pattern, hole pattern, and loop pattern. You see this is the arch pattern. Okay, it will be look like a curve. Okay, this is a slight curve it's seeing, right? This is the arch pattern. Hole pattern means, you see, it will be like somewhat, it will be closed type, but it is not ending it. Okay, and also the dimensions is also be not similar. That is hole pattern. Loop pattern means it will be like a circular type. Okay, circular portion, that is called loop pattern. Now what they will do here in NFC, they will record my images, and that images I can apply in any of the biometric devices which is installed in New Horizon College of Engineering. Okay, now by morning time for faculties their punching time will be 8:55. Before 8:55 I have to make a punching. Okay, so at exactly if I punch in by 8:55 or 8:45 or 8:46, it will be considered the attendance. If I punch in by 7 o'clock also, it will be considered my attendance. Okay, if I punch in by 8:51, because for a slight 2 minutes deviation they will allow. Okay, 2:52 they can permit. Okay, 2:53 or 2:54 if I punch in, that attendance, okay, that attendance will be called it as maybe a loss of pay or CL or off day permission. Like that the system will automatically will consider it. Okay, as a employee, if I am having a doubt, okay, whether I make it as a punch-in, because usually my punch-in will be timing by 8:45 a.m. Okay, sometime it will be 7:30 also I will punch in it. Okay, now after 2 days I'm having a doubt, what about my punching time? Immediately I'm having my official what is that, HRMS portal we are having. In the portal, in the HRMS portal, individual faculty having a username and a password. So by using my username password, I can go there and there will be option, attendance option will be there, daily attendance option. There I can click the month and date wise attendance. Then I can see my attendance. At what time I can make it as punch in and punch out. Okay, that is the system of fingerprint. This fingerprint which is enabled in all the operations, because most of, but due to pandemic time they are not allowing this fingerprint biometric system. To avoid it they are going for a face recognition. Okay, face recognition. Next one we'll see. For algorithms which we are using in a biometric system in terms of minutiae and pattern. Okay, minutiae and pattern. These are the two algorithms which they are following it. Minutiae means in terms of edging mechanism in the finger. Okay, ridge edging. This is the point at which ridges will be terminates. That is nothing but ridge edging. It is not ended, right? You see here, it is not ending at the edge. And this one is bifurcation. This bifurcation means it will be a two edges. Two ridges will be connected in one ridge. That is nothing but bifurcation. And third one is short ridge. Short ridge means by seeing the ridges, there will be a single ridge which is very small compared to remaining. That is nothing but short ridge. Okay, the short ridge. And in terms of pattern also I already told arch, oval and loop pattern. Okay, and third one is palm prints. Palm prints means it will be called as overall ridge that extract the miniature. You see here. Okay, where this palm here prints will be accessible? Can anyone tell me? Palm prints. One is Aadhaar card, another one. Passport. No, PAN card, no. PAN card also they are not, because PAN card also they are not using it. And this palm prints will be used for what is that? The driving license. Okay, in driving license, when I am taking the driving license in Chennai, okay, because my driving license will be a smart card. Okay, to make the driving license in smart card, they are using this palm print recognition, and digital signature also will be needed for a driving license. And a voice printer. Okay, voice prints means it is normally used for a speaker recognition. It's also known as speaker recognition. This is based upon our voice. The electronic system will be enabled and we can operate the door or any other devices. That is nothing but voice recognition. This is only for permission point of view they will allow. This is a voice printer style. It is mainly depends upon our frequency, okay, bandwidth and size and stress of the signal. This is a signal of voice print. It will be like a spectrum signal, okay, which is a spectrum signal. You see the face recognition. Face recognition means We have to for some people the what is that, fingerprints not at all accept, because the ridges are not at all in the proper shape, so the system will not consider it, the biometric system not considering their images. So what they will do for those employees, they will take a geometric dimension of the from the figure, okay, which will cover a eyebrow with, cover with the eyes and with lens and nose, center point and mouth. Okay, before mouth it will be covered. That is in a proper geometrical dimension, and this geometrical dimension we call it as a statistical approach that stills which image in a proper variable. Okay, you see here. Okay, in the mobiles also nowadays we are having the face recognition. Signature verification. Usually this signature verification which will be enabled for document purposes. For lock your documents they will use a signature, because usually I am publishing most of the journal papers. Okay, in per month I will publish 2 or 3 papers in a journal. So for journal publications, some editors they will ask my digital signatures. Okay, this digital signatures which will enable, it will be like a copyright forms. Okay, due to digital pin I can make the digital signatures and I can give the copyright to that particular authorities. That is nothing but digital signature. That is only for a signature verification for purpose. Iris recognition, which I already mentioned, that is nothing but in last class itself I have told, this iris recognition means eyes which will capture the infrared rays from your eyes with the normal range of 700 to 900 nanometer, or wavelength which comes around 400 to 700 nanometers. Okay, in the eyes you see here, this is the iris lens. Okay, the optical nerve will be there. In the iris lens only we can measure. So through this lens only the person can able to have a what is that vision in terms of a convex or concave lens which they can adopt it. Okay, so different types of lens which is operator in the eyes. One is 0 to CO and 0 to BC, 0 to, because this is one just information which I am giving it. Okay, more depth it's not required for this. These are the high-res images which we are capturing here. Through the high-res images we can operate the, sometimes they will take our what is that, attendance also through these high-res images. For most of the companies they will give face recognition, and another one is fingerprint system, biometric system. Iris recognition which is unable, which will give the person who is having who is not having any issues, okay, any physical issues. This is the iris recognition which will call a scanning type. Okay, now to capture all these we need a cable of CCTV or any devices which are connecting it. What are the different? Because usually the cable is made up of copper material, and this copper material will be covered by a porcelain materials, which will be covered by a porcelain, and at top there will be a rubber coating which will be there. The diameter of this material is 0.81 nanometer. 0.81 nanometer. Actually this material which will be covered by a dielectric medium. Okay, dielectric medium, you know, it will be called as a air or any other foam, like that. Okay, some materials which are used, but normally in the cables, what type of cable they are using is coaxial cables, which they are using it here. And what are the CCTV cable types? The first type which I already told, it is coaxial cables. Second, for coaxial cables we need two sizes. One is RG6, another one is RG59. Okay, RG6 means it is made up of higher bandwidth cable, and also which is made up of copper and aluminium, which will be operated with higher efficiency. Okay, which is normally not heavier, which is normally perfect for only for city authorities, administration, police authorities. RG59, which is similar to RG6 and RG59, which is used for, which is copper plate material. This type of cable is having very lower bandwidth material. For better surveillance they can use. And the third one, the second one is video power cables, and which is made up of PNP cables, quite straightforward cable. And third one is Siamese cables. This Siamese cable is having a certain powers which are higher, and here in this cable, which is a combination of the length of 18 bar 2, and this cable can be operated by both AC as well as a DC supply line. And fourth one is fiber optic cables. Okay, my research it's nowadays it's I'm going doing the research only in fiber optic cables. In fiber optic cables, it is one of the most expensive and which require a lot of manpower and a lot of time for installation, and but it will give better quality in terms of frequency and signal, and it will too expensive for residential and other places. Okay, and last one is twisted pair cables. This cable is having two insulated copper wire twisted around each other. For audio purposes they are operated later, for video surveillance they are connected. Okay, there are 5 types of cable. One is coaxial cable, second one is plug and play or video power cables, third one is CMS cable, fourth one is optic fiber cables, fifth one is twisted pair cables. Okay, now how to choose a right cable for your CCTV? Actually this is one 7-mark question in your examination. 7-mark question in your examination. Okay, this CCTV, how to choose the right cable of CCTV? Here actually the CCTV is mainly depends upon the dimension as well as a cross section view, that is nothing but dimension of the building, both height and width of the and capacity of that. Based upon the selection of CCTV camera which you are having a better companies, we can go for Finolex coaxial cable, because this is one of the topmost company which is comprising of 99.97% of pure copper material which they are now seeing. And this Finolex coaxial cable is normally come up with a solid electrolytic grade system, grade materials. And when we go for coaxial cable, normally we can go for underground coaxial cables. The dimension, the what is that, the cable line which is having RG59 and RG6, we can use it to avoid distortions. Okay, normally the signal distortions will be there. If you place it underground cable, we can go for RG59 and RG6. Okay, for better location and the power supply line we can give. Okay, and when you go for this Finolex wires and cable, which will give more energy efficient technology, that not resulting in a long electricity bill at the end of the month. Okay, now, because to save the electricity bill, we can go for coaxial cable, solid electrolytic material, pure copper coaxial cable. That's what coaxial cable cost is very high. Okay, any doubts students, any doubts? Okay.